Job number J-2023-0207-2. This time we're accessing the drain through the rear of the back bathroom main stack. It's a Thorns PVC cleanout tee going into cast iron and then transitioning to clay. We're up to the branch of the where the basement bathroom joins on the prior two videos that we've taken. This is a before video after doing root cutting so that we can see the branch before we do any work. We have root penetration there. We have some water running at the laundry tub. We also have some pooling water happening here. Pooling water does not seem to be a result of the roots because the root downflow of this does not appear to be obstructing the bottom of the pipe. And we're emerging out of the pooling water. Change in direction, root penetration visible there, followed by another root. Large root mass present there. Another root mass. Another very large root mass at 22 and 21. Branching off of the main run at 20, the water that we can see passing from right to left is coming from the laundry tub. Root mass present there. Very large root mass at 17. Root at 15. Very large root at 12. This is at the base of the stack. Going up the cast iron elbow, transitioning to PVC. Access through the bathroom stack. Push pause for a moment to do a bunch of root cutting. Now we are taking an after video. It's a continuation of video number 3. 114 feet, that's the connection to the city main sewer. Again, it's concrete. Branching off into clay, we have a little bit of water running at the laundry tub. Let's cut back nicely. Cut back nicely. Some pooling water through some of these sections here. Obviously we don't have no roots anymore, so we do have some spots where the pipe is bellied there. Let's cut back nicely. Let's cut back as much as possible. Let's cut back. Remaining root there. Again, some moderate pooling. Remaining root. Remaining root. Remaining root with a couple of thicker taproots remaining. Let's cut back nicely as well. Very small root dangling at the top. Roots cut back nicely. Back. Root penetration remaining. Taproots, thicker taproots on the side, but cut back nicely. Roots cut back nicely. Also a fine fracture arching across the top. Stress. Let's cut back nicely. Back as well. Let's cut back nicely, a little bit of thick root on either side. Let's cut back nicely. Remaining root here. Remaining root 62. Remaining root 60. Remaining root 58, again, a bunch of thicker taproots at the top. Cut back as much as possible. Remaining root 56, thicker taproot to the right. Let's cut back nicely. Let's cut back nicely. Thicker taproot on the top right corner, about 2 o'clock position. Let's cut back, thick taproot on the top. This was a little bit of a persistent one. We had to chase an additional time. Here we see the Y. Most likely this is the main cleanout behind the fridge in the basement. Secondary Y is likely the second floor bathroom. Looks like there's some roots in that branch as well, heading to the second floor bathroom stack. Some fine fracturing on the top between about 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Also note it kind of gets progressively deeper. Pooling water starting about here at 49. You can see the water ponding gets a little wider. Actually, it's right here, 42 to 43. That's where it gets deeper, and then taper down to a deeper depth. And that right there is our bathroom Y at 39. So that this is from the video 1 and 2. Those are continuation. This is a different angle from where we entered the Y at 19 foot on video 1 and 2. And again, we see the water ponding here. It's a little bit above the camera. Water's clarified so we can see pretty good. At least a couple inches of ponding. Tapering out, upper end of that cooling section. Changing direction, now heading across the basement at a 45-degree angle towards the laundry tub. Some more moderate ponding. Let's cut back nicely. Let's cut back nicely. You can see the rapids there is the upstream end of the pond, about 23, 24. Branching off, approaching the back bathroom stack. The run of that Y heads straight over. You can see the water going from right to left. That from the right hand side, that's coming from the laundry tub, and likely the floor drain joins in as well. Let's cut back nicely. This whole section had really dense root growth. There's an active clog here. And right here at the transition, especially from cast iron to clay, there is a giant root mass just sitting there, but that whole branch up to that Y is clogged, passing up the base of the stack. Access through our